I'm just really not motivated to do this video right now. Maybe if I go to my happy place, that'll help me out. Happy place. Look, I know all you want to do is work out right now. It's your happy place. It's the best thing ever. But right now there's so much work to be done. Let's get to it. Get back to it. Let's go. Oh, I feel better now. Let's get this video done. I just got done watching Happy Gilmore 2 and it reminded me how much fun Adam Sandler's movies are. And from a filmmaking standpoint, Happy's Happy Place is by far my favorite scene. There's halation, there's diffusion, there's a slow-mo video while there's a normal speed over top. And today I'm gonna show you how you can do that effect in Final Cut Pro. For the background scene, you're gonna wanna film this in a high frame rate. So something like 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second. So that way you can slow it down in post. Then you're gonna film yourself doing something different so you can layer this on top of the footage. You're gonna wanna layer these over top of each other, slow down the bottom clip so that way that's in slow-mo. You're gonna wanna add a magnetic mask and mask yourself out of that video. Analyze and hit done, and now you'll see that the two videos are over top seamlessly. And now's the fun part. We're gonna add the diffusion and the halation. I got these effects from Ryan Nangle, so if you want them, go to his page and you can get them yourself. They are totally worth it. Put an adjustment layer over both the clips, add the halation and the diffusion effect, make some minor adjustments so you have the look that you're looking for. Look, I know all you want to do is work out right now. It's your happy place. It's the best thing ever. But right now there's so much work to be done. Let's get to it. Get back to it. Let's go. So now you can officially say that you and Happy Gilmore have something in common. You can both go to your happy place. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you try this out. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to, and we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.